Ways to pay off your mortgage faster. Looking to pay off your mortgage faster? Here are 5 ways you can pay off your mortgage faster. Find the best interest rate. Increase your mortgage payment amount. Shorten your amortization period. Instead of a 25-year amortization period, consider a 20 or a 15-year am if you feel comfortable with the payments. Make extra principal payments. Choose an accelerated option for your mortgage payment by paying bi-weekly, weekly, or weekly accelerated instead of monthly. Take advantage of prepayment privileges with lump sum payments during the mortgage term and at the end of the mortgage before you renew. Keep your payments the same when renewing your mortgage at a lower interest rate and at a lower amount. Utilizing these 7 tips, or even some of them, will help you pay off your mortgage faster.